friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen crinkle cut fries in the air fryer. So let's open up a package of frozen crinkle cut fries. No need to defrost. Air fryer cooks them perfectly straight from frozen. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put fries in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now, halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's shake the fries so they cook evenly. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer. And let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the crinkle cut fries. Look at that, they look amazing. So crunchy. Crispy, perfect crinkle cut fries. Let me take them out. You hear how crispy they are? They're exactly how I like them, so crunchy. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Perfect. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Perfect texture for crinkle cut fries. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen fries. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!